YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install Mac OSX Mountain Lion. First, click on Mac OSX Install ESD. This will pop up right here. So then you click on this, click on Install OSX Mountain Lion. Once you get that opened, click Continue, Agree, and then it'll show the Macintosh HD. Click Install. Enter your passcode, and then it'll install. So once this installation finishes, I'll bring it up again. Alright guys, we're back. So now I'm on OSX Mountain Lion, and there is Notification Center on here. There's iMessages, there's notes, there's reminders. We have the new Safari with the blue thing. We got iCloud. Email this page. Message, Twitter. So this is it about this Mac. OSX 10.8. There you have it. Peace out. So now after you update to OSX Mountain Lion, you're going to want to go to the App Store or go to Software Update, and you'll get an update for OSX Update Combined 10.8.2. So you're going to want to update that. And after that, you're done.